Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm on the Slick Deals website to show you some tool deals here. First up, there is this 4-volt cordless screwdriver. This is 20% off at $13. And then next up, this one's a really good deal. It's only 5 cents. So this is 99% off. Now this is from Advanced Auto Parts. So you're basically getting a free flashlight. It's a 350 lumen flashlight, different modes. The only thing with this is it's clearance, so you're going to have to call the actual store before you go there to see if they have it. The ones near me, they do not have it, so it's just kind of testing your luck here. But for a free flashlight, if you're going there anyway, it's something to definitely check out. Now, it does say free home delivery, but if it's clearance, they're not going to be delivering it. And it's also smart to check the comments on this website, because down below this guy says check out these other 5-cent items. So you can scroll through. Basically it's headlamps, flashlights. These are all 5 cents. They have, I think, a different inspection light down below as well. But just something to check out if you're already in Advanced Auto Parts. Some basically free lights. So if they still have them, which if they're on clearance for this price, they're probably not going to be there for long. So just another really good deal here from Slick Deals. Next up, we have the Home Depot. This is an 18-volt, 8-amp-hour max output lithium-ion battery. This is a 2-pack for $149. This is going to be 55% off. It was $329. And it says here you're getting up to 3 times more power, extreme performance when paired with these brushless tools. And again, with Rigid, you're getting free parts and service for lifetime with registration. Now, this is a Amazon deal. It's a Crescent 5-piece curved and long nose locking plier set for $17. This is 43% off. Next up is a Home Depot deal. This is from Ryobi. It's an 18-volt, 1/2-inch by 18-inch file sander kit for $149. So this is going to be 69% off, and you're saving $333. It was $480. And now this is saying it includes 2 batteries as well, or 3 batteries and a charger. This is from Amazon. It's a Bora 1-inch mini spring clamp. It's a 20-pack. So this is good. It's if you need to glue some wood together, if you need to hold something, it's going to be 1 inch between the opening here. So keep that in mind. And this is going to be 52% off. It's $721. They're saying this is their #1 bestseller in spring clamps, apparently. Next up, we've got from Woot, which is an Amazon company. This is the Knipex 5-piece plier rinse tool set. Comes with the little tool roll package. Now this is $209. It's 53% off. It was $448. And you're probably thinking, why that much for some wrench sets? Now these are probably some of the best wrench sets in the world. They're saying they're from Germany. Now from Olight, this is on Amazon again. This is an Arcfeld Pro rechargeable EDC flashlight with green beam, UV light, and white LED. Now this has 1300 lumens. This is actually a portable flat flashlight with triple light sources. You can see in the picture the different modes it has. I think it has 5 different modes. $69. This is 30% off. It's 4.6 stars with 2,000 ratings. And with Olight, it's a pretty professional company. They do have some really nice lights. I have one of their clip-on lights and some of their other lights, which are really nice and good quality. I think this is actually, I don't see it here, but it's a magnetic charging unit as well with the clip. Now this is a Skil 7¼ inch circular corded saw. It's in the red. It's 50% off at $29. I know a lot of people, they aren't a huge fan of the Skil brand, but I've had no issues with it when I've just been doing some DIY work around the house, things like that. Now, this is going to be, now keep in mind the shipping date. A lot of these are going to be shipped after Christmas, so that's something you have to check. On the right-hand side, you can see that if you're on Amazon. Now, this is from Lowe's. This is a Werner FS 100 6-foot fiberglass Type 1 250 load capacity step ladder. This is a really good deal for $49. It was $115. It's got 4.7 stars. I actually think I have one of these, but I don't remember the price, but I've had it for quite a long time, and $49 is a really good deal here. Now from Shockwave, this is Milwaukee, this is from Home Depot, the Impact Duty Alloy Steel Screwdriver Bit Set. It's a 74-piece set for only $17. You're saving $22. And this is 55% off. They've got the Wear Guard tip, as well as the Optimized Shock Zone, which absorbs peak torque and prevents breaking. They said it's up to 50 times Life versus other impact drivers as well. This is an Ace Hardware deal on the Milwaukee M12 brushed cordless battery operated screwdriver kit. This is going to be $59, and it comes with everything here. You're getting 2 batteries, 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, carrying case charger, and the 1/4 inch hex tool as well. Now, I don't know if you have an Ace Hardware near you. Mine is probably about 20 minutes away, but if you do, this is, I think, one of their deals of the day, I think. Now, on Amazon, this is the Irwin Vice Grip Plier Set. It's an 8-inch set. This is 51% off. It's $6.99. And with this one, you're getting that nice rubberized grip there, and then the machine jaws for maximum gripping, it says. Now, this is a Menards deal. I don't even think we have a Menards near us, but this is $10 off at $39 on the Slick Deals website. It says it was originally like $140, which I don't think really was ever the case. I think that was a mistype. Now, this is a Home Depot deal. This is the Rigid 18-volt 2-tool combo kit with the drill driver or drill impact driver, 2 amp hour batteries. You're getting 2 of those, the charger, and the tool bag. Now, this is $139. And this is everything you're getting here. I think this is 30% off. This is just showing you the different parts of the impact driver. And again, with Rigid, you're going to be getting the free parts and service for life with whenever you register there. And yeah, it was $199. You're saving $60, which is 30% on this one. Now go ahead and leave a like if you're finding this info useful, guys, and leave a comment if you find something that you do like. Now from Milwaukee is this $229. You're saving 50% on this M18 Fuel impact wrench with friction ring. It says it comes with a 5 amp hour battery as well, which is nice, and delivers the best combo power and size, up to 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening torque, and 1,500 foot-pounds of nut busting, it says. It does have a nice compact size, so you can access all those little tight spaces. Now from Bosch is this 91-piece drilling and driving mix set with the case. I really want this one. This is $34. It's 55% off. And again, it's a 91-piece case with everything pictured here. I'm going to try to get a better image. I tried to click the images below, but it let me go ahead and kind of do a close-up here. Now keep in mind, there are only a few in stock with this. I think on the right corner it says 3 left in stock. So just make sure to check this one out if you're interested. Again, a pretty good deal. I think 50% off on this one. Now this is from Blaine's Farm and Fleet. I actually don't know where this is, but lucky enough, they have free shipping on this one. This is a DeWalt Atomic Compact Series 20-volt max brushless cordless half-inch drill driver kit. So you're saving $60 on this one. It was $159. It's now $99. So you're, of course, getting the tool, charger, and contractor bag. I believe you're getting the battery as well, but I just don't see that on here. I would kind of assume since you're getting the charger and bag, though. And it does, as you can see, free shipping just for a limited time. And as of now, it's coming in before Christmas. So now from Craftsman is this socket extension set. This is a 10-piece adapter set, 44% off at $19. With this, you're getting that corrosion resistance. It's got the chrome finish, and you can, of course, accessibility with the extension there, and quick size ID as well with the large numbers on the side. And again, this looks like it's almost 5 stars, 300 ratings. Now from Cobalt is this 24-volt lithium-ion battery and charger, 2 amp hour battery, $29. It's $10 off. It was $39. Now from Woot is this Tool Check Plus Imperial 39-piece multi-tool kit. It's just a kind of a nice kit. You can see it's got the ratchet on top, but the whole thing is kind of stored. It's like a combo tool with ratchet bits and sockets as well. This has over 2,400 ratings at 5 stars, so that's really nice. Now from Milwaukee is this M18 cordless brushless 4-tool combo kit for $399. I think that's about 30% off. It was $479. And you're getting everything pictured here. The drill driver, impact driver, circular saw, hacksaw, bag, charger, and the 2 batteries. And then just kind of scrolling through just kind of shows you the different tools here. Next, we have this 18-volt drywall cutout toolkit with a 2 amp hour battery and charger. This is now from the Home Depot, 67% off. Looks like they're trying to clear this out at $69. Now this is a special buy. It says it's through 4 more days. Comes with the 2 amp hour battery charger and the cutoff tool. And of course it has 28,000 RPMs for fast cut, it's saying. And then with Rigid, you're getting those free parts and labor. Now this is the Porter Cable cordless 20-volt drill driver and saw combo toolkit. It's a 4-piece kit for $99, 4.5 stars. And I actually don't even know if I have a Tractor Supply near me, but it includes everything here. Circular saw, drill driver, reciprocating saw, as well as a work light. Then 2, I think that says 1.3 amp hour batteries. And this is just the 20-volt work light here. And I don't see this brand as much as far as the Porter Cable. Like they think they do have it as more at a Tractor Supply though. And this is $100 savings of 50% off. So